full 5G.
Cell phone again from the Xiaomi sub-brand, namely Poco, with the name Poco M3 Pro 5
IQOO7 atau IQOO
special gaming cell phone with the name Redmi K40 Gaming, and there is
dan Huawei Nova 8 Pro, dua unit handphone.
Oppo brand, namely the Oppo Find X3 and Find X3 Pro.
S21 dan Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Okay.
Hello Gadgetmania, still with me again with Mandesa. In this video I will discuss the latest mobile phone again from the Vivo brand, which is targeting the mid-range class, namely Vivo Y73 2021, with the theme It's My Style, which will be released in India in the near future. And before we start, as usual, click the like and subscribe button so that I will be more excited to make the next videos. While waiting for the Vivo Y73 2021 cell phone to enter Indonesia, I recommended the Vivo V21 5G cell phone, the older brother of Vivo Y73 2021. This cell phone is also very good for those who like photography, because there are so many new camera features on this cell phone, especially those who like selfie, because the Vivo V21 5G is equipped with two LED flashes on the front left and right. So for selfie photo at night is brighter and more stable. Also use a fast processor, namely MediaTek Dimensity 800U 5G with 8GB RAM with 128GB and 256GB storage. And the screen use a 6.44-inch AMOLED chip with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, suitable for playing games too. And the rear camera is a 64 megapixel triple camera, then a 44 megapixel selfie camera with a 4000 mAh capacity battery with 33 watts of charge. If interested, I have prepared a link to buy this cell phone in the description of this video. Just click directly to the e-commerce online store Lazada, Blibli, Bukalapak, Shopee, and JD Indonesia. Okay, my review specification and price, the latest cell phone from the Vivo brand, the Vivo Y73 2021. Check it out. Brand Vivo will soon release the latest mobile phone in India by name Vivo Y73 2021. The back design of the phone is somewhat unique and interesting because it is coated with a AG glaze and anti-fingerprint with diamond motif. So much the theme of Vivo Y73 2021 mobile phone. It's my style, because its design is very cool and the style is also thin and very light. Then the rear camera design with the characteristic of the Vivo brand, which adopt the Vivo X60 and the latest Vivo V21 5G. And there is a triple camera, with the main camera has a resolution of 64 megapixel wide lens, the second camera 2 megapixel lens depth, and the second camera of 2 megapixel macro lens, with some features that are on camera like 64 megapixel night camera, ACE for video stability when recording, ultra wide mode, as well as there is a flash LED, and the video can record reach 4K at 30 frames per second. For selfie camera with a water top mural notes or water droplets with a 16 megapixel camera lens resolution. And also this phone is like with a height of 170 grams and also very thin with thickness only 7.38 millimeter long. In the form of the performance of this phone using the chipset from MediaTek Helio G95. The pair of RAM technology is LPDDR4X of 8GB as well as internal storage of UFS 2.1 to 56GB with a support of octa-core 2.05 GHz CPU and Meli G76 GPU, and the operating system use Android 11 with the Phantos OS 11.1 based as interface. And there is also the latest feature of the extended RAM features, which makes the 3GB additional virtual RAM of the boot of RAM. And if it feels less, also provided the additional memory is an external memory or micro SD XC. On the Vivo Y73 2021 screen using the 6.44-inch AMOLED display type with full XD plus resolution and pixel density 408 dpi with support XDR10 feature with screen already 2.5D glass. With a pretty fire battery pin 4000 mAh with a 33 watt charging, so no need to worry about the rapid run. And for the price of this Vivo Y73 2021, there is only one choice of RAM, namely 8GB RAM, 128GB storage in India at 20,990 Indian rupees or equivalent to 4,100,000 Indonesian rupiah. With two color choice, namely the first Roman black and the second diamond flare. This color is the coolest and very stylish. The features of this cell phone include dual 4G VoLTE network, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 by using a SIM, dual SIM active nano SIM accompanied by additional external memory. It's not known for sure when the Y73 2021 mobile phone will enter Indonesia in connection with the rise of the Y series entering Indonesia. If there is more information about this Vivo Y73 2021 cell phone, I will make an update video. Hopefully it will be useful. Before I end this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe button again so that I will be more excited to make the next video. See you in my next video. Thank you. Greetings, Gadget Mania.